Well, thank you. I discovered it's a Skill 736. It's a roto hammer. Well, possibly anyway. So I'm excited. Just filming a quick video. How's it coming along?
It's coming on.
Cool. This is a one-off video that I might upload directly. So Weaver sent us, well, they offered me a bunch of stuff, and one of them was a sandblasting cabinet. Well, my dad's been wanting one, so hey, it's a free sandblasting cabinet. We were already making the trip over here, so we thought, why not? And we brought this along too. And last week, me and Bill and Theis went to the scrapyard. We got this angle grinder, this Black & Decker, but it looks like the only issue really is just that the brush plugs were seized, so I had to break one of them, and the brushes had just been used down. The other one was just like a little crumb of a brush, and so that'll need some repairs and need a full restoration. But this thing, it didn't have a label on it, so I had to spend like an hour in cumulative time looking for what this was. And it's a roto hammer. Well, it might not be a rotor hammer. It might just be a electric hammer. But I'm really excited because I'm going to have to be doing a lot of repointing with brickwork. And I feel like surely this little jackhammer could be perfect for what I need. And my dad got me this. It's a tool. I have to grind it down though. And we're going to have to see like how to make that fit. I'll have to grind it down, maybe weld it up a little bit. Give a little bit of a thickness to it so this can clip around it. Because apparently Skill use their own proprietary bit. And I don't feel like having to search eBay for an old bit. I feel like just getting new ones and modifying them. I've been going through and cleaning up tools from the workshop. I have to clean up a lot and organize it. So this is kind of that video. This is kind of that video that my viewers wanted of me going through my stuff. Going through my workshop is a little too stressful at the moment because seeing all the stuff that's been damaged, but going through the things that I bring back from the workshop, well, I can do that with a smile on my face. I'll need to get the regulators for the oxygen and propane. And then I'll need to get a propane tank and my oxygen tank. And probably get another tank as well. I have my belt sander. Today we're gonna go get the lathe, and that's gonna go here. We're gonna get my bandsaw, and that might stay here. And I almost want to do some plasma cutting before I go, but simply no time. I don't have any ideas. I must say, I really do love your new shop setup.
Thank you. It's a little dirty, but...
Yeah, well, it's a shop. I love how this is coming out. Do you think this will be a little bit too high, or is that table lower?
They're the same height.
You might want something kind of the same height as
That's what I'm thinking. I really want
this.
it over here somewhere.
Yeah.
This is the metal side.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking maybe...
You know, because if you're going to have it, like, up, you'd hate to have your arms up really high.
Right.
You kind of want it a little bit lower.
But I'm kind of tall, so I kind of like...
Okay.
But seeing it, though, might be kind of hard. So.
Yeah.
So I might rearrange this.
I guess you could just, for the time being, use your your tall cart.
Yeah.
How tall does that go?
It'll go about this high.
Oh, that's kind of perfect.
Yeah, so it might...
Yeah.
But I gotta plumb off the air over here sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't need this big of a grinding table because a lot of it just collects junk.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I could do a welding table and a grinding table next to it.
Oh, hey, the bus stop sign.
Yeah, you got me that a while back.
I forgot about that. We've had that since like 1997 or something like that. Had that for a long time.
Yeah, longer than I remember.
Yeah, yeah. I kind of want to get one of those signs that's like the SEPTA. SEPTA is the bus system out in Philadelphia. They have like rail and stuff like that. They have really good transit. The people are insane, but you know that's the problem. Like the trains are beautiful, but the people on them are insane. It's kind of the same problem with the roads out there, though. Well, I'm gonna get back to filming this. I wanna get the roto hammer, or maybe jackhammer video done. I'll figure out which specific model it is. I'd like to give you guys a chance to note anything that I'm doing wrong, or maybe you could tell me if this is like maybe the skill 735 or the 738B or something like that. Maybe it's not the 736. So, you know, having an army of people to go through and look things up, it helps a lot. I think I'm just going to put this thing back together, and because I measured the windings and the windings seem fine, I'm just going to have to make new top pieces, and that's fine. And get new brushes. I think I have brushes somewhere, but whatever. And this will be a restoration that I'll probably sell. But this, I'm not going to restore it just yet. I'm going to get it functioning, and then I'm going to have to use it as soon as I get it out there. And I'd also like to know if this is any specific thread size for that. Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, I left my bike powered on. Oh well. Doing a video of the Lifetime battery. Apparently it's a pretty pricey battery. I didn't realize that, but boy, is it great for this. It's like twice as powerful as my 40 amp hour battery that I had that was supposedly 40 amp hours. Ooh. Oh man, like this almost looks like this hex key would fit, but it's too big. It wouldn't go on the end of this because this actually has a hex at the end. And this is just a Harbor Freight bit that I'm going to modify. I don't have my other phone. But yeah, there's a hex, like a hex interface, and then behind that is the hammer. And I don't know. I'm thinking if I want it to be not rotating, because I think this rotates. I don't know though. I think if I want it to not rotate, I'll make that smooth. But if I want it to rotate with it, like if it's a drill bit, I'll make it hex shaped, so it'll move around with it. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya. I'm finally compiling stuff into these toolboxes. Oh yeah, you know what? This was a gift from none other than Arduino versus Evil, AVE. He gave me these years ago. Love them. British Columbia Mining Technology.